Most people view the world through a lens of social expectation, but a small percentage of individuals perceive it through a lens of raw data and hidden patterns. This isn't just about being smart. It's about a fundamental difference in cognitive wiring. If you've always felt like an observer in a room full of participants, you might possess what we call the architect mind. Here are 5 unconventional signs that your brain operates on a different frequency. 1. The observer's lag. While others react instantly to news or conflict, you often feel a lag. This isn't slow thinking, it's high-level processing. Your brain refuses to settle for a surface-level emotion, instead scanning for context and long-term implications before forming a response. 2. Complexity addiction. Simple explanations irritate you. If a problem is solved too easily, you feel a sense of skepticism. You are naturally drawn to systems, whether it's the mechanics of a clock or the nuances of human behavior, preferring the beautiful mess of a complex truth over a convenient lie. 3. Low social threshold. You don't hate people, you hate background noise. Small talk feels like a drain on your cognitive battery because it lacks substance. You seek high-density conversations, and if those aren't available, you'd rather sit in total silence than engage in meaningless chatter. 4. Pattern recognition. You notice the glitches in daily life, the shift in someone's tone, the repetitive cycle of a failing project, or a trend before it hits the mainstream. You see the world in if-then statements, allowing you to predict outcomes that catch others by surprise. 5. The internal laboratory. Your most vivid experiences happen internally. You can simulate entire scenarios, conversations, and projects in your mind with high fidelity before they ever happen. To the outside world, you look idle. Inside, you're building empires. True rarity isn't about being better, it's about seeing what remains invisible to the majority. Which of these patterns mirrored your own internal world? Explore the comments, and let's see how many of us are hiding in plain sight.